How to remove Instagram account from the account list. First of all, open your Instagram application on your iPhone device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile button at the bottom left corner. This will take you to your profile. Simply tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now you can scroll all the way down until you see the logout. Tap on it to log out of your account. Now on the screen, you will be shown a list of all the accounts that you have, and the toggle will be turned on if you have saved the login info. Simply turn it off as shown on the screen and tap Logout. Now you will be taken to the account center. Simply click on the settings button and tap the account that you would like to remove. Simply click on the remove profile and tap the remove. And that's it. This is how you can remove Instagram account from your account list. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.